ClickOnCare.com.
Everyone, today I'm going to present DAcne Soap. It contains a gentle aloe-based cleanser which is combined with anti-acne actives. It inhibits acne-causing bacteria and hence is very useful in acne and oily skin conditions. It makes your skin smooth, soft, supple and fresh feeling to the skin. The key ingredients of this soap are palm oil and coconut oil, aloe-based surfactants, and then tea tree oil, olive extract, aloe vera extract, glycerin. This soap is marketed by Glenmark. This soap contains 75 grams in this pack.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and